So, good evening, everyone, or good day, everyone. So, today we are the reporters for Module 5, Lesson 1. So, for Module 5, Lesson 1, we have a prototype development and MVP. So, proceed. Next slide. So, for the short recap for this lesson is all about the prototype. So, before the prototype, natay marking sizing. So, may marking sizing na dara ato ang development sa atong prototype. So, mo na siyang insert. So, for the third slide is, okay, na question 3, blah, 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 blah. Then, for reflection, ato na lang i-proceed tungod. Katong recap is all about the before nga module sa to ang module 5. Like 3 and 4 to sila. So for reflection is or learnings is all about the start up, and then for the mapping for our problem, and then last is the objective or assessment of our prototype. So the next slide is ignite journey. So morning ato ang critical nga ato ang journey sa ato ang problem or sa ato ang study. So kaning ignite journey or ignite text journey which significance of building entrepreneurial leaders. So for module 5 dara nato makita ang prototype, development and MVP. So naay tulo na ka bulletin diri: understand, build a prototype, use prototype for early validation. So for to understand our prototype development or sa among prototype journey, nag-conduct mi og survey or instrument nga ginatawag survey para to understand the customer or the respondents problem or lang mga needs or wants nga kailangan solusyonan. And then after na is darat mi naka-build og prototype, and then sa pamaagi for validation. So kani ang importante. So giun sana mo pag-validate sa amo ang problem. So of course tong ingano ganina nga nag-survey mi, physical survey, and then i-survey pod mi pamaagi sa G-form and then or interview through Zoom. So nami proof na mapakita uh, sa mapakita in case pangayuan mi. So next slide is all about the learning objectives, and then so for learning objectives natay ginatawag nga tulo ka buok. So of course balik-balik lang katong understanding the prototype and VP, learn to take an iterative and user-centered approach, and then start to develop your prototype. So kani balikan nato. So by the end of this lesson you will be able to understand the features and benefits of the prototypes sa amo ang study. So next then is ang concept. No, next slide. So next then is all about the core concept in this module. So may core concept ang mga importance sa amo in this module. So again, balikan nato nadri ang overview of MVP, prototyping, overview of prototypes, and then types of prototypes to understand the types of prototypes and how to choose the right one for your solution. So kay dagan mga klase-klase nga prototypes, kamo nga tag prototypes, dagan klase. Like for example, na as a software na ay physical or kanang ginatawag nato nga kaning para sa mua nga outlet siya nga na heat sensor, and then kana. So next is concept introduction for prototype. So what is common between these? So for example kani short ra ni siya nga recap or kanang nala idea unsa abot ang prototype. So may tag prototype physical gina siya or ay kasagara physical gina nimo siya makita or either in a software nga pamaagi like nara sa mga computers or kanang mga kana dili siya mawiran pero makita. So pinakauna nato makita diri sa left side is the clay model of a car, which is magunitan, makita, masmell, tanan. 5 senses magamit. Then ang right side is same magyapon. Building model to scale. Kung yung tag model, so pwede natin na siya makita through sa kaning akad. So next is app wireframe, and then ang second is hardware assembly. So mo ni paspoto ganina. So ang Uban pod prototype pwede siya ma-app ay true app wireframe or a hardware assembly. So mayon kag app wireframe man gyud kay na siya sulod sa validata siya nga nasulod sa mga technology. While ang hardware assemblies pakit ato siya magunitan mas mal matouch tanan. Unlike sa app wireframe. So next is these are prototypes. So katong kaganina nga example. Katong clay, atong model sa house, katong wireframe nga app, and then ang kwandayan, ang kanadang physical nga wiring. Next is individual activity. So wala na siya kay kung ato nang i-play ang video, so ato ra to makita adto kung unsa all about in that activity. So what is prototype? So a prototype is a preliminary version or a model of a product, service, or process. So kung ano dagdag prototype man gyud, which means kanang dili na siya final. Nga kanang which is ato ibaligya for baligya? Dili day. For the final output. Kung may tag prototype, it can be changed, it can be improved, and then bali more growth to more growth to um ma-enhance. So for the next is
Ako na,
okay.
ako na. Ako na.
So ang next na
Ah,
mag-report ani is si Akot GC James na.
wait lang. Kinatambunan. Why should we develop prototypes? Why should we develop prototypes? Um, para, ang reason nga na mo develop tag prototypes kay para ato pang ma-improvise or maayo kung unsa to yung kailangan ayuhon sa ato ang product or mas better pa unsay himuon ato na product. And then next is prototyping helps in is easy to detection of missing functionality mo nang yung ganina kaning para ato ma-fix kung unsay ang ayuhon sa to product ay prototype, getting clarity in usability, look and feel, aligning the team, better understanding of customer needs and reducing rework. Naibat pan takes time and can be expensive. Takes time kay ginaayo pa mo ng mga prototype like na himo na siya simple na yung mga na defects or na kailangan i-improve makagasto gyud og kwarta something na types of prototypes, paper prototype, physical prototypes using paper cutouts, enabling quick and interactive testing of user interfaces and workflows. Like kaning paper prototype kay murag inyong flow chart ninyo nga type as prototype ni siya mag-test or main ang wireframe dayon kay show actual user interface elements and interactive features similar to the final solution. Like actual na siya nga kuan pwede na ka maka-interact or ma makita na mo sa mga problems sa prototypes then device mock-up an early version of physical or electronic product often 3D printed to represent core functionality size. Role plays and simulation effective methods for creating service prototypes allowing stakeholders to experience service in a controlled environment. Muna siya ang step na maka atag nag mga example sa imong mga customers or B2B nga style nimo then storyboards and scenarios visualizing user journeys or service interaction capturing key steps and interactions. Prototype in action. Wala na siya. Next. Mga video ni okay. Concept in concept introduction. Minimum viable product. An MVP is not a prototype, is not a partial or substandard solution, is not a finished solution. The MVP development, the MVP is a solution consisting of a minimally necessary features that can be used by select potential users. Validation, the primary purpose of an MVP is to gather valuable feedback and make informed decision regarding future iterations. Muna siya ang step na kuan. Um, di bali feedbacks sa imong product kung saan nga i-better adto. Next is iyang kuan. Minimum and unfinished product no customers needs or wants. Viable the final product that a startup eventually wants to build. A product that is good enough to solve the core problem to select set early adopters of customers. Muna siya ang murag ang ngayon yung i-balance yung product or i-fix or ang ayuhon ba nga convenient siya sa yung customer. Ikaw na Nip?
So, how to build an MVP. So, that is the first na to makita kay ninang butang diri nga how not to build a minimum viable product sa 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 second, also how not to build a minimum viable product. Dayon kani sa third, how to build a minimum viable product. So dari na to makita mo unsa man pag-build sa MVP, um, same as sa among product, dapat dapat yung yun na pagbuhat sa MVP. So next go, are there real startup examples developing in MVP? Next go. So the founders initially partnered with a few bus operators to list their schedules and seat availability on the website. This simple functionality addressed a major pain point for frequent travelers, the difficulty of booking bus tickets without physically going to a bus station. So sa kaning link by kaning WordPress sa sa kaning kuan kaning kani sila nga founders kay nakabuhat sila og website nga dili na kailangan mag-quote ticket physically. Pwede na kamuka via website mag-book og bus nga. So para mas simple na pod. So next, the founder of Zappos wanted to test the hypothesis that people would be willing to buy shoes online instead of building a full e-commerce platform. He took photos of shoes from local stores and posted them online. When someone ordered a pair, he would buy them from the store and ship them to the customer. So, Brett po niya si Juan ang founder ng Zappos no kay imbis na mag-watch sa physical store niya. So, ang iyang gibuhat nakauna na siya great nga idea gyapon kay imbis nga magbuhat siya og yung physical store, kung naay mo order siya kaya mo gina-post online, so ayaw niya ginapalit sa itong asa niya nakuha itong gamit, ayaw niya ipalit niya sa tao. So next go, differences and similarities, prototypes in MVP. So first, sa prototypes, so first dali pa sa differences. So sa prototypes, okay, tested by the internal team, low to medium fidelity. Goal, okay, validate design. And sa MVP, validated with target users, high fidelity. Goal, product customer fit. Muna ilang kalayan. So sa similarities, validate hypothesis before committing significant resources to full-scale development. So, second, kay na sila similarities nga mag-enable iterative development, and minimize the initial investment in terms of time and money. So muning nakatsada silang duwa kay murag dili sila diretso bitaw mag kaning waldas bitaw nga gasto kay ginabagay pa nila murag pangayop sila validation um, gikan sa mga customer yana para ma-fit. And and ato makita dali technology readiness level or TRL is a system used to assess the maturity level of a particular technology. Originally developed by NASA in the 1970s to evaluate space technology, the TRL system is used to measure the progress of technologies from conceptual stages through to full commercialization. So sa figure makita diri kay natin na idea, mga unproven concept, mga wala pa na test ng mga i-perform. So, sunod natin basic research. Na rin na itong so, basta kanina sa 0, 1, 2, 3, muna siya ang part sa idea. Dayon kaning basic research, technology, formulation, needs, validation. So, second part natin prototype, which is kaning 4 and 5. Kuman silang small scale prototype and large scale prototype. And sa third part niya natay validation, which is ang 607, ang prototype system and demonstration system. Sa last part natin production, which is kaning 8 ug 9, first of kind commercial system of full commercial application. So, team activity. So, reflections. So, reflection na da. Prototyping, test your idea cost effectively before committing major resources. So, sa testing po, kailangan ito i-fix itong flaws and improve na ito ang usability by testing with the user. So, sa users na ito, siya gamiton para mas ma-product fit na to ang atong pinanglanon bitaw sa customer. Yun sa prototyping and MVP, prototype test and then create the MVP iteration is the name of the game. So next go. Mandatory coursework post session. Wala po kung nag-mix yun. Mandatory coursework. Sa post session natin isa kang exercise, individual revise the concept, and team activity, team decide the type of prototype you want to develop and start. Okay, no, wala ang linya pala eh. No, thank you.